Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy, creamy peanut butter chia pudding that makes a lovely breakfast, snack or dessert. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this really easy treat, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by pouring a half a cup of milk into a bowl. You can use any milk you like, or you could swap some for yogurt if you'd like instead. To that I'm going to add my peanut butter, a good heaped tablespoon of peanut butter going in there. Give it all a good gentle mix through to fully incorporate the peanut butter. Now it's up to you. If you'd like it a little bit sweet, you can add on a teaspoon or so of maple syrup, honey, or your sweetness of choice. I'm just doing a teaspoon of honey there. Now, of course, this is a chia pudding, so we need our chia seeds. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And we'll give everything a good final gentle mix through to incorporate the chia seeds into the milk and incorporate with that peanut butter and just get it all lovely and mixed together, making sure all of those chia seeds are fully submerged as well. There you go. Once you're happy everything's fully incorporated and all those chia seeds are submerged, we can pop it into the fridge for at least a few hours or overnight to thicken up, and I'll show you once we've got our lovely thick peanut butter chia pudding. The peanut butter chia pudding has been in the fridge for a few hours and it's set up perfectly. If we just pop a spoon in, you can see it's lovely and thick and speckled with peanut butter over there, and it just is such an absolutely delicious way to make a ahead breakfast, snack or dessert treat. You can enjoy your creamy peanut butter chia pudding just like that, or add some toppings. There's lots of ideas for toppings. You can add a bit more peanut butter on top. You can pop some bananas, some more chia seeds on top, some chopped peanuts, some berries, jam, lots of ideas. I'll write them all down in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. I like mine topped with a couple of strawberries, so it's almost like a peanut butter and jam, peanut butter and jelly kind of treat, but in a healthy chia seed bowl. So that is the video for today for how to make my lovely peanut butter chia seed pudding. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.